Ay, andyan ka pala.
So first of all, kamusta? You're living the fanboy dream.
Yes! Living the fanboy dream indeed. Sobrang, alam mo, the whole time, I thought I was gonna be nervous. But tinitignan ko sila ng malapitan kasi dito ako mismo, ganyan lang yung distance namin. Can you believe that? So, tinitignan ko lang talaga yung skin nila. Sabi ko, ano kaya skincare routine itong mga to? Parang naging derma ako for a bit. Ginaganong sila. But aside from that, I was really, really dumbfounded. Dumbfounded! And kind of living a surreal dream talaga. Kasi hindi naman everyday get a chance to have this kind of event. And let alone be a part of it. Be a part? Kas ka ba? Hindi, be a part of this launch, you know? So parang just to be here, just being here and being able to be close to the cast and meeting new people, it's really a very once in a lifetime.
Ano yung pinaka-memorable sa'yo?
Pinaka-memorable, yung instead na nag-video ako, natulala ako. Kasi sabi ko, ay, nakalimutan ko mag-video kasi natulala lang talaga ako sa kanila. Feeling ko sila din nung nakita ako.
Natulala lang din sila.
Natulala.
Thanks.
Thank you.